Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to start investing using Cash App Invest directly from your phone. Later in this video, I will also show you my favorite money transfer service for fast and secure transfers. First, open the Cash App on your device and log into your account. On the home screen, look near the bottom left corner where you can access your balance. If you do not have money in your account yet, tap on Add Money and transfer funds from your linked bank account. After that, go to the Invest section inside Cash App. Here, you can browse stocks, ETFs, trending companies, and different investment categories. You can also use the search bar at the top to find a specific company stock you want to buy. Once you select a stock, you will see information like the stock chart, recent performance, and company details. If you are not ready to buy yet, you can tap Follow to track the stock. To buy a stock, tap on the Buy button. Cash App allows fractional investing, which means you can start investing with as little as $1 instead of buying a full share. Next, enter the amount you want to invest. You can choose a custom amount or select one of the suggested options. After entering the amount, tap Next. Cash App will then show you a review screen with the estimated share amount, current price, and order details. Review everything carefully and confirm the purchase using Face ID, fingerprint, or your Cash App PIN. If the stock market is currently open, your order may process almost instantly. If the market is closed, your purchase will be scheduled for the next trading session. After your order is completed, the stock will appear in your Cash App investment portfolio. From there, you can monitor performance, buy more shares, or sell your investment anytime. Cash App also allows you to set up automatic investing and dividend reinvestment for certain stocks. You can manage these settings from the Investment Options menu. That's it. That is how to start investing using Cash App Invest directly from your phone. Now if you want to try my personal favorite money transfer service, I recommend using MoneyGram. You can send money quickly using your smartphone or visit in-person MoneyGram locations spread out all over the US and Canada. Click the link in the description to download the app and try it out.